Hello everyone, sometimes we have the following situation. We follow the normal steps to open the lock, but finally only the left side is open like this. The left side is open, but the right side doesn't move. We can only have one side open. If it happens, that is good news. You are 98% successful. Do as I say in the following, and you will be 100% able to open it. This situation means that most of the pins in the decoder have reached its opening position. Maybe just one of them needs to move a little bit, so let's help it move a little bit. When this happens, don't rotate it with too much force. Don't do that. We adjust the knob slightly and a little bit. Let's increase 5 degrees. Try again. Another 5 degrees. Try again. Oh, it's open. You can see that? But it's not smooth enough, so we move a little bit more. It's much smooth now. Okay, both of sides are open. Easy to do.